All right. One of the limitations of Stream when I'm creating my videos here at school is that we're limited to 15 minutes and I talk too much. So I guess maybe I'm the problem, not Stream. But either way, let's continue. As you see here, we have our hex nut, as everything, the sides are complete. We are missing the hole. Can screw it on to a bolt. If we don't have a hole with threads, that would be an important part. So to do this, we're going to use the hole tool. Like I mentioned in the first video, we could sketch out a circle and extrude it to cut away the material and come back and add threads to it. But in this particular case, since everything kind of falls in place and it's ready for a simple hole with threads, we can use the hole tool. So let's go, there's the hole tool. We can click on it here, or we can go create hole. There we go. Here comes the palette up. All right. Now, first thing we're going to do is what face do we want to put the hole on? So I'm going to select the top face. Face is selected. And now I need to position the hole. It's got a lot of the variables in from when I've done this before. I'm going to switch these back. They normally come up. Oh, because it's an M12 already. Well, let's just leave that as 12, I guess. All right, so I need to position my hole. Go to the top view, okay? If I can't see where to position it, doesn't do me a whole lot of good. So there's the center point of the hole right now. I want the center point of the hole to be on the origin. And I see the origin here through the top view. I'm going to click on the origin, and it snaps the hole to the origin. All right, so that's all good. Now your hole type should be countersink, okay? The hole tap type is tap. Thread offset is full, and the drill point is flat. All right, now I'm going to go back to the home view. The depth of the hole. Grab this arrow right here and drag it down to 10 millimeters. There we go. The nut, how far did I extrude it, the polygon to begin with? 10 millimeters, okay? So we need to cut our hole 10 millimeters. All right. This distance right here, which is the opening, we're going to give it a little chamfer edge on the hole, 12 millimeters, okay? Your thread type, change it to GB metric profile. The size of the hole, you probably came up at like 0.25 or something small like that, change it to 12. The designation is M12 by 1, okay? Most important part here, check on modeled, okay? Modeled will actually create the threads in your design. If you do not have modeled, it's essentially just projecting an image of threads onto the face or the whole wall. If you want to 3D to print your nut, it would not print. Okay, so you have to model the text coming in. You have to model your threads for them to be printable. So I've checked modeled, and now I'll click OK. And there are my threads. All right, flip that over so you can see them a little bit better. Notice the hex nut is the same on both top and bottom. All right, your assignment requires you to turn in a screenshot from the top view and from the front view, okay? And good luck on the project, and I'll see you in class.